are my parakeets in the making. The yellow one is Athena. The blue one all the way down there, that's Socrates. The one he's next to is his lover, Hermia. And then all the way up top, that's Thor. And they love this music, totally. And they're going to have babies soon, I hope. And they're just chilling out. They're totally afraid of the camera, of course. But if we go inside the cage, and Socrates is my favorite. And that's my birds in the making.